Manuel Crypto, and in this particular video I'll be sharing with you how to mine free USDT on the Delta app. And if you're able to watch the video today, I'll be sharing with you three important things. I'm telling you three important things that you need to do before you'll be able to start earning USDT on this Delta app. And you could see USDT here. Yes, currently we are mining USDT. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. So let's dive in. So as you all know, if you have been mining the Delta app, and if you have not been mining, I'll be dropping my registration link in the description and also in the comment of this particular video. Please kindly make sure you make use of it so that you will start mining this Delta app. It is very easy. You only have to come there every 24 hours, and you can see my here that in the next 14 hours I will actually come here and tap on this one to mine, for me to mine. And if you are already on the Delta app, this is what you need to do. The first one which I will be telling you is that you need to update your app. If you did not update your app, you won't be seeing this particular USDT section here. You won't be seeing, yours will be showing. So I'll be dropping my link in the description. You can just use it to re-download it again. So after that, after you open your Delta app, you'll be seeing this USDT section. So when you see it, what you need to do is that you have to tap on that USDT, and you could see the miners are growing, and currently we are around 291,698 people mining it currently. The community is growing. So you tap on that USDT, you could see my own now that I have 126 pending. You could see USDT balance. You could see hen. So what you need to do is that you need to come and watch video every 7 hours. You could see I have 3 videos to watch. So what you need to do is that you tap on this play button here. You have to tap on this particular play button. It will bring an ad will pop up. You see it's loading currently. Depending on the region you are, that will depend on the particular apps that the particular advertisement that will be brought to you. You can see. So you have to watch it. You have to sit down patiently and watch it to the end. So let me pause this particular video so that it will not make it too long. So currently now you could see that my pending has grown to 132, and you could see the hours now that I have 2 more hours to watch. And you can see that the time now I start counting 7 hours, so it's around 80 hours. You have to come every 80 hours. So let me quickly pause it so I can continue the hours. So when I'm done, I will continue this particular video. Now, you could see that my pending currently that I'm done watching this particular ad, and my pending is 144. So this is it. This is what they are doing. Based on your region, it will depend on the number of USDT that will sell for you. Everybody, the amount that they are giving everybody is actually different, and you could see here that everyone is showing pending. So in the next information that will be passed, every pending here, we come down to this USDT balance here. Then it will be converted from the USDT, will now be converted to USDT for us, which will now come down to this particular end section, and that will be what we'll be able to withdraw as a USDT. So the name of their token is USDT, and from the inside info I'm hearing is that this particular USDT will be actually be pegged at $1, and that means, you know, if it is pegged at $1, meaning it will be at the price of $1. That means it will be equivalent to $1. So when you keep on mining, you can just come here every 8 hours and do this particular task, and when you are just done, you can just go back and you can navigate throughout this particular thing. You could see this is a crypto wallet on its own. You could see, I think if you're able to convert that particular coin, you'll be able to convert it to any coins that we have here. So if you have any question about this particular Delta app mining, please kindly drop it in the description of this particular video, and make sure you like, subscribe, and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload another video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.